So I don't just want to talk about drill through alone. Let's have a complete project. Let's try to work on a project back to back. So by the time we work on a project back to back, then we will know that, okay, not just drill through, we have seen a use case where we can use drill through to solve a problem. So at those points, let me see my screen. Where are thou? Okay. Confirm you can see my screen now.
Yes, I can, sir.
Okay.
Yes, I can see your screen.
So, number one, there is one Excel file. How can I send this file? I guess you all have access to the chats. Let me see how I can quickly send this file to all of us. Save as on the browser on my desktop. So it's around fever. I don't know much about sports. Please permit me. So I'll be very careful so that I will not say something that everybody will now say, what is he talking about? But I just like the data. I feel, let me make use of this data. So where will I attach my file? Just a moment. I want to quickly attach this file. File. Okay. Upload. Mute the mic. Then I can get a feedback from somewhere. Okay, so confirm you have the file. If you're on your system, you can drop the file right there on your system. So I have country flag there, and the one we're going to use today is FIFA. That is FIFA. So let's see, it's trying to upload. Let's get that up and running. Just a small file. Why is it taking this time? Ah, come on, come on, come on. File, where are thou? Okay, so as the file is trying to upload, so that you all can have access to it, let me go straight to my slide. So once again, Ayodeji Folarin is the name. I've been mentioning my name so many times on this platform. And I enjoy training. Training is my passion, and I've been training for about 23 years now. And also, I used to be an application developer. That is about 20 years ago, and I'm still developing. But lately, I've specialized majorly around database management and deployment. And for the past 6 years, I've been doing a lot of things around Power BI. So, and also I've been doing so many things around cloud technology. So I'm the founder of Niger Power BI User Group, also the co-founder of Africa Data and AI User Group. So thank you very much. Now, today, I want to concentrate on what we call drill through, but not just working on drill through. We want to know how to use drill through for a project. We want to see how we can use drill through for a project. So, okay. Oh, the file is not downloading. Shucks. Can you download the file? If yes, help me put it on the group chat. Let me put it on the group chat so everybody can download. Okay. Now, so when we talk about cross-report drill through, What exactly are we talking about in Power BI? Don't forget, Power BI is a tool for storytelling. And imagine you are telling a story and you want them, as they are going through your story, they are listening to your presentation. You want a situation whereby when they click, it can take them to a place where they will have detailed information coming up. Now, all these things is what we call, what we do within what? Within Power BI, and to enhance our what? Our storytelling. Now, number two, what exactly is Drillthrough helping us to do within storytelling? With the Power BI cross report Drillthrough feature, you can contextually jump from one report to another report in the same Power BI service workspace or application. So that is the beauty of Drillthrough. I'm telling a story, and I want a situation whereby during my storytelling, I can just click. Once I click, it should jump to a page and also come back to another page when necessary. So with what we've done, I would like to go straight into the Excel file we'll be using today. The file we'll be using today, I downloaded it from a site. I actually got this file from a site. Let me give you the link. Where's my browser again? I've done cargo. Okay, this is where I got this site. International football matches with statistics. So I came here and I got this file. I downloaded it, and from look of thing, I think this will be very, very useful for us. So, okay, 21. I get this one I downloaded, 2021. That's the most recent. Let me just drop this link on the chat, Control C. Drop this link on the chat in case any of us would be interested in getting this. Okay, so that is the data source we'll be using. And for this data source to work effectively, I have to combine it with some other data sources. For example, I came to a site. I came to this website to download the club, the name of the club, their logo, their, I don't know the meaning of, overall, OVA, overall, ATT, attack, midfield, and what? Defense. So I downloaded all these things from their sites, and from there I also downloaded the transfer budget, the players, number of players they have, and it. I don't know the meaning of it, but I've downloaded everything I saw on this page. Now, back to our presentation. So if you come here, I have the first page. This is what you will see when you download that one from cargo.com. This is what you will see. This is the one from the club. And you all know how to download from a website. So just from your Excel file, let me just attempt it. From your Excel file, I can get data from where? I'm getting it from the web. Where is web? I'm getting it from the web. When I say web, the next thing is it will ask me for the URL. So just copy the URL and paste. This is the URL, Control C, copy, and I go back to Excel and I paste the URL. It's just like Power BI. There is no issue. So even within Power BI, I can do the same thing, get my data from the web, and I go on and on and on. So with this, it gave me the detail about the club. That is the club you have here. And I also went to Wikipedia or somewhere to get the flag. I shared this with us some weeks ago when I presented something on 2tip. So I got the flag from another website, but I brought all of them to Excel so that I can easily share this Excel file with you. So this is the page. So the name of the club, the OVA, overall attack, midfield, I've forgotten, and so on and so forth. So the budget, this is where I got all those details. So I already have them here. So this is the detail about the club. This is the detail about the flag and the logo. And this is detail about the FIFA. Now, what do we have on this page? On this page, this is telling me so many things, which most of them I don't know the meaning. I don't know the meaning. I don't know the meaning of CL. I don't know the meaning of GK, reflex, and all those stuff. So you permit me, I will just go with ones I know. I know agility, definitely. I know balance, that's the way you stand on the ground. I know acceleration, that is increasing your speed. So I will just work with some of the parameters I know here, but to tell a story. Now, this is a list of all the players we have, all of them. And also, there is a link showing us the photo. This link, for example, this player, his name is Eric. This is the picture. I can copy this URL to confirm if this picture is actually working. Go to a browser, go to a new page, and dump it on the URL. That's the image URL to confirm if the image. So this is the picture of Eric. If you tell me it's not correct, that's what I got from the data I downloaded. And age, this is the age of Eric. Eric is from a country called Spain. Now, I want to use this country to connect to country flag and look for Spain here. Spain, S. Now, Spain is here. In front of Spain, there's another URL. This URL again is telling me something. I got it from Wikimedia. Aha. Now, let me copy this and check out the flag for Spain. Control V. Now, this is the flag for Spain. The same story still continues. There are some other details. Overall, club, don't know the meaning of value. Maybe that's the value the player worth. Just allow me assumption. This is the value the player worth. Wages. Don't know. Let's continue. Special. So preferred foot. This player prefer his right foot. This one prefer left foot. There is no one that prefer right and left. Okay. And also, and all other detail. If somebody asks me to tell a story with this, I'll prefer my story to be in different fold. Number one, I can have an holistic story telling them all about FIFA 2021 and how many countries were present at the event and how many players came, what is their total performance. Just talk about that on high level. And I can now go to another level. Tell me detail about the club. What is the name of the club? What is the short name of the club? What is the OVA for the club? And all these details. What is the transfer budget? I don't know, but the club has a transfer budget of 130 million. Is this pounds or euro? Now, they have this huge budget as transfer budget, and they have 31 players, while some have 29 players, and they have hit rates, hits of 764. I want to have a page to talk more extensively about a club. And I would like to have another page that will now show me the players in that club. So that when I click again on a player, you will now start tell me the name of the player, which country did he come from, how old is the player, tell me which foot does he like using, and every other thing about the player, the work rate, is it high or low, the body type, Is it a normal body type or player body type? Is this his real face or is I don't know. Okay, and some other detail about the player. I would like to report it right there on the screen. Now, this is how I want my story to flow. The main page, and when anybody click on any club, it should take me to another page and give me detailed information about that club. And if anybody click again, it should move on to tell me more about the individual player within that club. So without wasting much time, let me start. I'm going to start by opening up another, because I said is hands-on, we are doing it together. New. Give me a new Power BI. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. So the file I sent to you is what I'm going to use. I think I have a copy on my desktop. This guy should load. Good. So get my data for me immediately. From where is an Excel file is already on the desktop. Excel file definitely is on my desktop. Yeah. Good. So I need just three things here: the club, the country, and the fever, as I showed to all of us. Transform for me. Let me see. Now you understand the reason why we transform our data. The major reason why you transform your data is to clean up that data. So ETL, extract the data, transform the data, then load the data. Now I'm in the Power Query page. Now, on the Power Query editor, what am I supposed to do? I have three documents here: the club, the country, and fever. So this is the detailed information. This is like my fact table. There are so many things I want to talk about. But so that I will not cause confusion for myself, let me take out some of the things I don't need from this screen. So choose the role I need from fever. Choose column. Give me, I don't need serial number. I need the name, I need the photo, I need the age, I need the nationality, I need the overall words. Just bring it. I need the club, I need the value, I need the wages, I need the special, I need the food, week, work rate, body type, face, real face. I don't know the meaning of real face. David. Jersey number. I need to know the jersey number the guy is wearing. I want to know when he joined them, when his contract will expire, what is his height and his weight. Okay, all these ones are too big for me. How many like and dislike did he have? How many followers? I'm assuming this means followers or following. Crossing. How many crossing has he made? How many finishing has he made? How many heading? Heading accuracy, sports, short passing, dribbling, FK, free kick, accuracy. Okay, at least I know one of them, free kick. Long passing, ball control, acceleration, agility, balance. What concern with jumping? Stamina, strength, aggression. Okay, let me see the aggression. I think I'm okay. I'm okay. It's getting too much. This is just all I would like to have on my table instead of having that long column, about 80 columns in this table. This is okay. For the country, I only need the country image. Why not just match these two together from here and forget about country? I only need the image column. You know what? Do a match for me. I'll come back to fever. From home, in the combined group, I will see merge. Merge fever to what? To country. What is similar what is the key to connect them? It is country here, but here it's called nationality. So look for the nationality here and connect to it here. That is all I need. I am okay with this. Now, when you do your merge, it's going to allow you to expand the table. The table has two things. Only bring the URL, bring the image URL. That's all I need. So country image URL, fantastic. So I can see the country URL on this. So it will be useless to load this to Power BI. I will right click on it and say, please, this enable load. I will deselect it. So if you look at it, it's cursive somehow like Italy. So this is normal font. This will not load when I'm loading to Power BI. What can I do to this? This has so many things here. Okay, so let me just leave this. But what will I use to connect? Asna is here. Come to Viva. Club. I think there's club there. I saw club. Okay, I have the clubs here also. Good. So I'm just loading these two. And this one, I don't like the name club one, just say club. Okay, at this point, I will close and apply. Now back to my work. I can do all my reporting without any stress now. So what are the things I want to report? According to our agreement, I want 3 pages. Page 1 should be my dashboard. 2 should be the club. Page 3 should be the player. Yes, let's see detail about the player. Good. So that's just 3 things I would like to see. So let's start by checking the relationship between the two of them. Between fever and club, what is linking them together? Short name, I saw it the other time, and club. Short name and club. Club short name and club is what we are using. Let me quickly confirm so that we will not make mistake. So the club short name, that's it here. And the under fever, the club itself is the same thing. So this is making sense. So my relationship is okay. I can allow flow of activity to go this way, also go this way, because from here, I might need to pick some things from here. So in that case, I need to work on my relationship and say my relationship is not just one direction. Don't just flow through one direction. Allow me flow through both directions. And I say I'm okay. You will see this will turn to 2 arrows facing both sides now. So this is what I want to achieve. Allow me from here to come here, pick some data, also from here, go the other way. Otherwise, the direction will just be one way flow, and it might not give me any detail if I want to come the other way. Now, let's quickly start on our dashboard. On our dashboard, we just want to report the general reports. So from here, what can I report generally? So clubs. Let's have list of all our clubs. Good. This is a list of all our clubs. Good. Now, apart from having the list of all our clubs, there's no supposed to be repetition. We have list of all our clubs. Now, the next thing I would like to do with this list is to, although let me pick it from here. Let me pick it from the other one. I think I have club somewhere there. Okay, club. Give me the list of all the clubs we have. Club. These are the list of all the clubs. Good. Now, don't just show me all the clubs. Can you show me the number of players in that club? Good. The budgets. That's the transfer budgets. The midfield performance. The overall performance. The defense performance. and attack. I'm now good though. So we have the defense, mid. Let me just do a small arrangement. So overall should be the last one, overall performance. So good. Let me just keep it simple. This is telling me all the club in the FIFA 2021. I don't know that it's called World Cup or Cup, but in FIFA 2021 rating, these are all the clubs, and these are the number of players they have. These are their budget. This is their performance as far as defense is concerned, midfield is concerned, attack is concerned, and overall performance is concerned. So I think that is all I would like to show here. Let me just do a little beautification on this as we move on. On the grid, on my grid, quickly increase the fonts of the text. Okay, this is legible. I believe we can all see what I have here now. Okay, good. Now, apart from having this, let's have at the top FIFA Google. Oh, Bing. Okay, add logo just to beautify what we have there. So let's assume this is our FIFA logo. Right click, save image as, dump it here, or dump it in my picture. Dump it here. Save. TH is name. Okay, so I need the logo. Insert for me the FIFA logo from picture and give me my TH. Good. Now at this point, this is getting interesting. So I don't know the caption I can give to this, but please, I said don't quote me. I will just say FIFA as at 2021. Good. So bold it, increase that font very well to 44. I love this. This is good. So what else can I put here? Just let's leave the other ones. So FIFA rating, FIFA club. Let me just add club to it. Club rating. This is club rating for the year 2021 by FIFA. And we can see all the clubs, the way they are performing. So the overall rating, which one is rated very, very high? No, that's the lowest. Overall rating, 85, that is Liverpool. Followed by another 85, Manchester City, Real Madrid. So these are the rating, and this is cool. Now, somebody now said, look, don't just rate and tell me this is what they are doing. Can't I just see detail about Liverpool? Or I'm interested in seeing what is happening to Chelsea. Can't I see detail of their performance? And I want to put detail of the performance on another page. And I want a situation whereby if the man is here looking at this, he can just click. A click around this place should take him here and give him detail on the particular club he clicked on. So if you come back and click on another club, you should do exactly the same thing. Now, I'm going to put information about the club here, detailed information about the club. And after that, I can also list out the players within the club so that when the man click on a player again, it can take him to the last page, which is the player. So the player is under the club and the club will be like under the what? The dashboard. So I want a drill through in the sense that if I click on any of these club, come to another page and give me detail about the club. So let's quickly build some things here about the club. Let's say club logo. There's another challenge. If I want to use logo, please, you need to categorize it. So I can see logo here. Where is the logo? This is a logo. I can categorize it and look this logo. Please, this is your, you should follow the image URL so that you can render it not as a text, but as a logo. This is good. So what else do I have here? I have country logo also. Where are the logo? Photo. These are the photo of the player, pictures of the player. Good. This, I need it as image URL. Good. I also need the country logo, country URL. Good. This also should be image URL. A country does not have logo. Oh, well, today is not ETL class. Let's continue. So what else? What else? I guess that should be all I need to do. Good. I'll come back here. The first thing I will need here is the club logo. I'm going to use multi-row card. I'm supposed to get some other visual from the store, but let's just use what we have. Time is running. Seriously. Okay. These are all the club logo. Let me just pick this club. Just one. Don't worry. When you click on any one from here, it will automatically filter. That is what we call cross-report drill through. It will help you do the filtering and do this for you. Now, apart from having this logo, I want the name of the club to show just in front of it here. Club name. This is short name. This is name. I think I'll go with name. Club name. Make it into a card. Good. Extend it. Let it just be one line. Good. I think this is good. Let it stay just beside this guy. Extend it to the end. Okay. So let's do some beautification on this. I don't want category on this. Give me a border. Give me a shadow. So this looks okay. Now, apart from telling me this, I will be interested in having a table. A table. This table should show me all the players in that club with their age.
I have a question.
Okay.
Is this logo the does it have anything to do with the club? That name, that Ajax?
No, don't worry for now. Because
Okay.
what's happened here is the first. Look at it. From the list, this is the first name you saw on the club.
Thank you.
So let me quickly show you that so you can thank for that question. The first name he was able to pull out after arranging it, the club. So short, is it the short name I use or the full name? The full name I use. Can you help me sort this guy? So just sort this guy for me in ascending order. So look at it. This is the first name you are seeing there. So what he reported on my dashboard is the first name. So no problem. So, but by the time the OT start working, it will give you what you expected. But don't worry, this may not talk to this for now. No problem. I want to see the list of all the players. I will come, player is in fever. Name. Where is name here? Ayodeji. Okay, name. Give me the names of the players. These are the names of the players. Also give me their, sorry, let me quickly see what is important. Give me the name of the player, name. Give me their age, their country, and their value, their worth. Good. So let me quickly work on this value. This value should be currency. Because it's English cup, let me just pick England pound. So permit me, nobody should go and quote me that somebody is collecting so pounds. I don't know whether it's in naira. So wage, also put it as pound. Good. So that's a disclaimer there. I don't know whether it's pounds or dollar. Good. Now, I would like, apart from showing me the name of the players, show me their age. I need their age. Good. Look at their ages. Apart from the age we have there, can you also show me those money, value,
A wage and value.
and okay, good. Show me the wage and the value. Okay. Imagine a player is his value is 0. I don't think this is correct. The player cannot. Well, don't quote me. I downloaded this. Okay. Now let's stop here. So let me see on my dashboard. Okay, this is good. Let me also make this guy big so that we can. Why not just copy the format? That's another thing. Please, if you want to retain the same format, always work around your format painter. I want to see a style that I can use here. Let me see. This is not a bad style. Okay, format painter under home, the same format you use for this table. Please come to club and put the same format on my players. Player now, put it here. Good. So these are my players in that club, what they worth and some other details. So the total worth of that club we show here and so on. I don't need total age. Well, you can do all those things under formats. So this is the name of the club. What else do I need about the club? Let me just beautify this part. Still about the club, tell me the number of players they have in the club. Okay. So apart from the number of players they have in the club, also tell me the budget of the club. Apart from the budget, tell me the overall performance of that club. So let me keep it simple. Just leave it that way for now. Now, let me connect this to this. So if I cannot do the player, you guys will do it yourself. Now, how do I connect this? I want from the dashboard, I want a situation whereby if anybody pick on any club, you should be able to drill through here and give me every information that will be on this page will be about that club. All I need to do on this page, I will say, please, you will see drill through here. You will see the cross reports is off. Please put it on. When you put it on, this drill through has been set to on. Now, let me know which of the fields here should be the one that will link and call this information. From here, I have a field. That field is called club short name. I want a section where you click on the club short name. That should be what should bring me to this place, club short name. Okay, so let's try it and see if it's working. Now, on my landing page, I've seen this beautiful detail. So when I say, wow, Liverpool, right click. When I right click on Liverpool, automatically drill through will be enabled because there's a connection between this name and club. That is why it's allowing me to do this. So immediately I click on that. This is the logo for Liverpool. This is Liverpool. These are all the players in Liverpool. They have 33 players and their overall performance is 85. This guy is so small. Label, data label. Take this to maybe 36. Good, it's getting bigger. Or 48. And also the category. Take the category to maybe 24. Good. So I can see the player and some other details. I love this. So what else? Budget. Budget is not coming up. Don't summarize my budget. Yeah. It's not coming up big. But that is what I'm just trying to do here. On getting here, if I want to go back to my dashboard, automatically, look at what you put here for me. There is a back button that can allow me go back to tell other story. Now, Now, on looking at this, I've seen the number of players we have. I've seen our overall performance. I've seen the list of all our players. Someone has said, wow, can I see this particular player? What is he playing? How much does he worth? How old is he? What is his height? What is his weight? What is his... So many details about the player. I also want to have another drill through. If I right click on this player, can I say that drill through is not enabled? Because I have not designed a drill through for it. Let me come to player. On getting here, without doing anything, let me just turn it on. By the time I turn it on, what should be the thing that should connect me to the club? There is a name. Name. And there is a name of the player. Anywhere you see them click on the player name, bring them to this page. Let me come here now. This happen to be names of player. Right click on the name of player. Drill through will be enabled and is ready to take you to the player to give you the information about that player. Now, so let's come to the player. On the player, there's already a back button there. So let's round up what we are doing now. So on the player, do the same thing for me, almost the same thing we have here. Give me the club logo. Let us see the club and the logo it belongs to. Logo. I'm using multi-row card to do my logo. Logo, club logo. Where is that again? Club logo. Good. Just reduce the size to 1 so that it's only one that will show. So by the time you filter, then every other thing will show. So this is the club logo. And I want the name of the club just in front of it. Club name. The name of the club. So for those of us that don't know the club by logo, you will know them by name. Good. And apart from that, I would like to see the country it belongs to. Country.
That's not the name of the club.
Don't worry. By the time the drill through start working, I said something the other time. It will give you the first. It will give you. Look at what he put here. First club from his list. From his list, that's the first club he saw. The first club on his list is this. But by the time it's active, I've not. Okay, let me just demonstrate something here. From here, this club is Liverpool. I want to see this guy. Right click here and say drill through to the player. This will go to the player and give me what belongs to Liverpool. Liverpool logo, Liverpool name. So don't worry, it's because I've not completed it, that's why. So let me quickly complete other things I want here. Just show me Liverpool and show me, because I'm talking about a player, which country is this player coming from? Let me have the flag of the country and the name of the country. Flag of the country. I saw country logo, country image, come here. Good. Also be a multi card. Good. The image I'm seeing here is blank. Okay, if it's blank, no problem. Let me just manage it as blank. Okay, that's my country logo. And apart from that, I would like to see the name of the country the player is coming from. That player we are talking about is from which country? So let me pick country, name of country. How did you write it there again? Country. No, it's not on this one. It's on the fever table. Country. Oh, nationality. Yeah, thank you. Nationality N. So bring the nationality here. So that means this guy is from Wales. Now, who is the guy? Let's have the name of the person to show again. The name of the player should now come here. Player or name. Okay, name. The name of the player should come here. Good. Apart from the name of the player, I would like to see the picture of the player. Photo. Come on. Okay, photo of the player should come as a multi-card. Oh, this is the guy. So the photo should come somewhere here. Now, apart from having the photo, I would like to have his jersey number. Jersey, J. Where is his jersey number? I would like to have his jersey number. Ah, no, not a grapho, as a card. Jersey number 58. Can this be correct? Ah, okay, if you say so, don't let me stress myself for now.
He's playing from bench.
He's playing for what?
From bench.
Okay.
Oh no, I think we are using the jersey number, summation jersey number.
Okay. But just I quickly want to finish this. Let me beautify this place. Insert a jersey. Let me look for jersey on the internet. Jersey. Jersey. No jersey. Give me a picture of any jersey that is not common so that they will not crucify me. Use this. Save as on my desktop. On my desktop, call it JR. Okay, let's quickly use this on our work. Bring a jersey in, insert for me image. The image is a JR from my desktop. JR. Bring the JR. Good. So with this jersey, just make it a little bit bigger. Can you bring this here, just as if it's on it? Oh, remove the color, the background color. Background, no background. And bring it to the front. Format. Bring it forward. Let it fit as if he's wearing the jersey. It's okay, leave it like that for them. I want the number to stay on the clothes. The number should also come to the front. Bring it to the front. They should not have a background. No background. Ah, the color should be white. The color, the data label should be pure white so that we can see it on that one. Oh, and it's too big. I'm just trying to, you understand what I'm trying to do? Let's keep it simple. Can you move everything from here to one side? Where the player? Good. So this is the player. Let's talk about his height and width in a card. Give me a multi-card again. Give me the height and the width of the player. Height, yes, height. Good. Width. Is it width? No, there's nothing like width. Weight. W. Weight of the guy. Give me his watts. Give me his value. Give me his strength. Give me his stamina. Give me his, and so on and so forth. Give me the number of like he has. When did he join them? Oh, this is getting interesting. When did he join the club? I would like to have the date he joined the club somewhere here. I saw join us now. Date he joined the club. Beautiful. So, permit me to stop here. That is that. And this will be interesting. So, the date joined. This guy, you are too big. Data label. Reduce it to maybe 18 should not be bad. 18. Good. That's the date he joined the club. And all this, increase their label, the data label, increase the label to maybe 36. And also increase the category, increase the font of the category to 18. Let's stop there. This looks good and great. So thank you very much. Now let's see it in action. I'm on the dashboard. From my dashboard, please, if you know about sports very well, unmute your mic, let's interact. If you know about sports, so raise your hand. Let me see who is doing that. Ah, James is on the call. I don't need to. James, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, James. How are you?
I'm
Now,
fine, thank you.
These are different clubs. I ran into this dashboard. Which of these club is your favorite club?
Okay, so if I say my favorite club, many people will laugh about me. So let's take Man City or we take Liverpool.
No, if it's
I won't say
Are you
Arsenal.
ashamed of your club?
Don't worry,
Arsenal.
it's Arsenal.
I'm not ashamed of Arsenal. So,
No, it's
well,
Arsenal. Don't be ashamed.
Okay, now Ghana family. Okay,
Okay, Arsenal.
sorry.
Oh, okay. It's not even on my list. Oh, it's there. 80. It's not a bad rating, but let's go with Manchester, as you have said. Manchester,
let's
I
use
want
Man
to see
City.
detail about
Just
Manchester.
life.
Right click and go to the club. This will take me to the club, show me the logo, show me Manchester City, show me all the players in Manchester City. They have 31 players and their overall performance is 85. Their net worth is 176 something. And these are the worth of each of the players.
176 million.
Now, somebody now said, look, which of the players do you know in Manchester City?
So we can take okay. I'm looking for one no, because I saw
Greenish.
Ike Gundogan, the way the Ike
Greenish.
Gundogan was written. Okay, let's use Ferran Torres. Ferran Torres is fine.
Ferran, where is F?
Yes, you just passed it.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah. Below it, Ferran Torres Garcias.
Okay, right click on it. I want to see detail about this man. Who is this guy James is talking about? He will now bring me here. He will show me the picture. Show me he's from Spain. He's in Manchester United. This is his name. He joined in 2020, August 4, and his height is 6 feet. His weight is 170 lbs. His what is this? His strength is 66%. His stamina is this. And he has 254 like. So before I close, let's go to James' club. James, Arsenal. Right.
Okay, no problem. Let's go to Arsenal. Yeah.
This is Arsenal. Your overall performance is 80 and you have 33 players. Which player are you interested in?
Bukayo Saka.
Saka, S.
Bukayo is the B. Yeah.
Bukayo Saka. This is a Nigerian guy, right?
Yes, he's Nigerian Briton.
Okay, let's see. England. How can Bukayo come from England? Look at the Bukayo.
Okay, that is because he's been nationalized.
So thank you very much. That is just what a storytelling can do for you. So please pick up that data, play with it, tell a nice story. So my next section, our organizer asked me to talk about Bookmark and Drillthrough, but I only talk about Drillthrough. What is the work of a Drillthrough? A Drillthrough is to help somebody gain detailed information, and you can easily click and you will be jumping around to see those information without stress, and it will narrow it down to what you're supposed to see. So that is that. Any question before I hand over to the coordinator, to the organizer? Any question? Okay. I can see Dr. Oyebola hand up. Please, your question, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Very, very interesting session. I noticed that on the dashboard, the cross report icon wasn't on. Does that have any impact, or it should just be like that?
On the dashboard.
Yeah, the cross report icon is off.
It's off because this one, yeah, something will come in here from somewhere. So this is a cross report.
Okay.
True. Something must come into this place from somewhere, from anywhere.
Okay.
As long as that place contains what? Contains the short name for the club. Let me come to another table and just put the club short name there as a table or as a card or as anything. as a card, the table short name, the club short name as a table. Just leave it there as a table. Now look at another place. As long as you reference the table short name, when you right click anywhere on the short name, it can always take you to club. That is it. So club is a drill through page. This dashboard is our main page, is not a drill through page. This dashboard is not a drill through page, it's a normal page.
Okay.
So like this page I just created is a normal page, it's not a drill through page. If I decide to make it a drill through page, no problem. But if you want to know what should bring somebody to this page, I must put a field here.
All
But
right.
it's not a drill through page. So that is that. Thank you very much for that question.
All
Any
right.
other question, please? If you have any question, raise your hand. Okay. So thank you very much. Shooks, are you on the call?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Deji, for the insightful section, and we hope to meet with you again on the 4th of September.
Okay. On Bookmark.
To meet you, so that you also give us another section on Bookmark. So next week, Saturday, we'll be seeing. We hope to see the person of Awa Emmanuel.
You can share your screen, please.
Okay, let me share my screen. So my screen is coming up. So we hope to see Emmanuel Awa. He's going to take us on trying to come up. All right, so he is going to take us on let me see. Okay, so it will take us on the topic, which is manipulating data sources in an existing report in Power BI. So we should be ready to hear from him. He's an MCT and a data analyst, so we'll be expecting to hear from him by next week, Saturday. So the upper week, we'll be expecting Mr. Deji back on the program to also give us more details about designing a dashboard using Bookmark. So these are what we have on our next line of action. And also we I've already dropped the form, the feedback form. So let us try to fill this form, and let's get your feedback based on today's section. So thank you once again for taking your time out to be on the program. So till we come your way next time, stay tuned. All right, bye everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Deji.
Thank you very much. Everett, your hand is up. You have a question?
I wanted to ask how soon can we get the recording?
So Shooks, how soon can we get the recording?
For the recording, let me first of all stop recording. So for the recording,